Scan for SOVI, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Chi-square tests can feel intimidating, but you can master the statistical problem in under 60 seconds by following these 3 simple steps to find the answer. First, calculate the degrees of freedom for this contingency table. With 4 rows and 2 columns, we use the formula rows minus 1 times columns minus 1, giving us 3. Next, compare our test statistic of 13.23 to the critical value for 3 degrees of freedom at the 1% significance level, which is 11.34. Boom, it is larger. Since the test statistic is greater than the critical value, we reject the null hypothesis and conclude there is convincing evidence of an association. You got this. Keep going.
Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOVI. Avoid misreading the reject criteria and always verify your test statistic against the critical value.